Hello, my YouTube friend. Happy Thanksgiving. Ooh, it's cold outside. I mean, really cold. It really dropped overnight. I'm doing my annual trek to Gamestop to get the mystery boxes. I'm kind of excited to get them. I like them better this year than last year. Now, most of the cartoons are a little bit past my time. They came out when I was a teenager or even a little bit older. So I'm not really super excited. Now, I did watch Chip and Dale's Rescue Rangers, so I kind of want the Monterey Jack. But I think they're cool. I'm gonna have fun with this. So let's go on an adventure together. Okay, the first GameStop was super busy. The line was super long, so I'm gonna try the 6th Avenue one, the one I went to last year, just to see if it's a smaller line. I'm guessing it will be because the one on 14th Street's a pretty big one. Line's not too bad. Thank you for working on Thanksgiving. Appreciate it. All right, that was super easy. The line was very short. I waited 2 minutes, 3 minutes maybe. Pretty awesome. I like going to the GameStop over this way when I'm shopping just because the line doesn't line up. On 14th Street, it was probably been an hour wait. So I got 5 boxes. I was hoping that they would have the 20% off bag sale again this year, but she said it wasn't in the system. Only the older Funko Pops and not the new ones, or not the mystery boxes, but I'm okay. I got 5 boxes. This is gonna be fun. Let's open them up. Actually, I'm gonna go to Barnes & Noble first and try to get the Lord of the Rings box because that box looks really cool to me, and that's the one I want more than the cartoon ones. So let's head over that way. Okay, so Barnes & Noble was closed. I guess they're not opening on Thursday, so I might have to come back tomorrow to try to get the box, or I might just order it online. But let's head back to my house and open up these boxes. Really excited to see what I got. Hopefully it's all different ones. I asked the people for a case because I heard that each case has one of each, and they said they had opened them all, but they hadn't mixed them up. So he grabbed 5 that he said was a case worth. So hopefully I get 5 different, but we'll find out in a minute. The Best Buy line is kind of insane. Tons of people waiting. I guess they have some good deals today. All right, I'm back home. That was easy. That took me less than an hour to leave my house, go to GameStop, then go to the other GameStop, then go to Barnes & Noble, and then come home. Awesome. Last year they had a deal where if you filled a bag with toys, you'd get 20% off or 25% off. They didn't have that deal this year, so I had to pay the full price, $20 a box. But I'm okay with that because I'm ready to open these up and have fun. All right, let's check what's inside. All right. I don't know. I'm really excited for the Tom and Gerry plushies. The Pezzes look really cool. The Pops themselves, maybe not so much. Okay, so I have 5 boxes. This is going to be fun. I saw someone post on Instagram. They were saying that each case had one of each figure with a possible chase of any one of them. So you get like one chase a case and then one of each other figure. So I asked them for a case. They said they had already opened them up. But the one guy who opened them all, he said he hadn't mixed them up yet. So he gave me 5 boxes, which he said was a case. Hopefully that's the case. Hopefully I didn't get 5 of the same thing. That would kind of suck. But if I get one of each character with one of them being a chase, that'll be pretty awesome. I guess if I do get duplicates, so I can always stick them into my store. So it's not the end of the world, but I prefer to get one of each. Okay. This box this year seems a little bit smaller than last year. I'm going to let you guys see first. I hear jingling. I guess there's something else in here, like a pin or something. I don't remember there being a pin. Okay. I thought it was just a Pez. I mean, if there's pins in here, in addition to everything else, that would be pretty cool. Okay, I feel... Yeah, I guess there's a button. Oh, this is cool. It's a Goof Troop button. Okay, so I guess there is an extra button as well. Okay, that's pretty cool. You get a good amount of value in the box. Okay, so what's... That's the pop. Okay. I can't feel the plushie. I thought there... Oh, there he is. Okay. Oh, we got a Gerry Plushie. Okay, they're a lot smaller than I thought they would be. They're kind of like cheapy plushies, but I still like it. I loved Tom and Gerry when I was a little kid, so that's pretty cool. Okay, we got one Gerry. Okay, so there's the Pez. Let me get the Pez out. It's kind of hard to get these out. All right, I'm going to take the pop out, but I'm going to look at that last. Okay. Oh, wait, there's something else. Oh, okay, there's a little bag of stars. That was just like a little extra thing. Okay, let's check out the Pez. Okay, nothing else in the box? Oh, okay, cool. Blueberry. Okay, I like this. It's the ad icons as Pez. That's pretty cool. I actually think this will be the more popular thing from the boxes than the actual Funko Pop. Okay, that is super cool. I don't know, maybe there's chase versions. I'm not sure. But we're going to dig in and see what we got. All right. Okay. I'm guessing it might be the Goof Troop one. Not 100% sure. I'm guessing it matches the button. Let's see. Oh, cool! Yeah! Alright, yes! Nice! Okay, sorry. The one I really wanted out of the set was the Monterey Jack, because I did like Chip and Dale's Rescue Rangers back in the late 80s. And this is the chase. Sweet! So if I was going to get one chase, that's the one I wanted. Yeah, alright. Box one rocks. Okay. There you go. Alright. I'm going to have a lot more fun with these boxes than I thought I was going to have. Alright, let's get box number 2 opened up. I actually like these better than last year. Last year was the 8-bit pops. I still don't like those ones that much. So this is actually pretty cool. I kind of wish they did slightly older cartoons because that would be more in my wheelhouse, but this is fun. Okay, I'm going to show you guys again. Now, we're going to learn if it is one of each character or duplicates right here. Okay, that's what box number 2 looks like. Hopefully you guys can see. All right, let's do, let's try to get the button. Yeah, there's a button. Where's the button? I can't find it. Okay, we got Tom from Tom and Gerry. Very cute. I thought these were going to be a little bit bigger. So these were a little bit different than I thought, but they're still very cute. I thought they'd be like more like the Mopies. Okay, let's try to get the Pez out. Oh, cool. Yummy Mummy. Oh, these are cool. I really like the ad icon Pez's. I love Pez. I've collected Pez for years. I try to collect only older ones when I find them at garage sales, so I only have a handful of them. And I'm not quite sold yet on expensive collector Pez for new Pez, because if the price is really high, I feel like I'd rather have an older one. But these are cool. These are my first Funko Pez's, so I'm kind of excited to get these. Okay, more of these stars. I don't know what I'm going to do with all the stars, honestly. It's just like a weird added thing in there. Oh, here's the button. Okay, so the buttons are repeat. This is the first repeat item. If the only items that are going to repeat are these buttons, that's not the end of the world to me. Let's check out the pop. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, okay, we got Max from the Goof Troop. See, Goof Troop, I think, came out in like 88, 89. So I was a little bit too old when these came out. I was, 13, 14. So I didn't really... That cartoon isn't really something that I see and connect with. But it's still cool. I'm sure there's someone who's slightly younger than me that's going to love it. Although, so far, this is the one I'm most excited to get. Okay, let's open up box number 3. Okay, so... This box will probably have the first repeat because I think the Tom and Gerry's were the only plushies. So those will start repeating. And I'm probably going to put the duplicates in my store. I'm just not sure how much I'm going to sell them for yet. Okay, so that's what box number 3 looks like. Is there anything exciting? Okay, let's get the button. Okay, so the Goof Troop button is the same exact one. That was kind of cheap and lazy. I kind of wish they'd varied those up a little bit. Alright, we got stars. The stars repeat. Oh, come on. It wouldn't be a video without sirens. Okay, now the plushie's going to repeat. Okay, so we have... Gotta repeat Tom. That's cool. I'm guessing something like this would retail for $4 to $5-ish. I don't know how easy it'll be to sell them, though. I'll probably be stuck with those. Okay, but hopefully the Pez's are all different. Oh no, Blueberry. Okay, I gotta repeat Blueberry Pez. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O. So I might have got a duplicate box. Even though he swore that they were all from the same case, maybe not. But that's okay. Or maybe the Pez's repeat. I'm not 100% sure. Okay, let's take out the pop. Now we're gonna find out if the pop repeats. I mean, if they mix them up and I get 2 chases, I'd be okay with that too. Oh, cool! Angela from Gargoyles. This is one I really wanted as well. This cartoon, again, came out when I was like 18, I want to say, so I wasn't really into cartoons at the time, but I love the character design, and I love Gargoyles in general, like the idea of Gargoyles, so I always like the characters from that cartoon, and so that's one I really wanted. I do want the chase, though, so I'll, have to probably track that down by itself. But maybe the Pezzas will sell for $10. I don't know what they're going to be worth. If they're like the Ad Icon Pops, they'll be worth a small fortune. But that's all good. Okay. All right. Okay, that's what it looks like. You guys get to see before me. All right, we got, let's see what we got. Oops, stars. Drop the button. Goof Troop button again. Okay, so very repetitive on the button. Oh, we got another Tom. Okay, repetitives on the Toms. Let's get the Pez. Hopefully this one's different. Oh, cool. Okay, we have Frankie Barry. Awesome. I actually really like these. I'm so happy to get these. The Pez are definitely one of the cooler things from this box. I don't know, maybe there's only 4 Pez's and that's why there's a repeat. Otherwise, I'll have to track down the one I'm missing. Okay, we're going to get the pop. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, Megavolt from Darkwing Duck. I actually like Darkwing Duck. I did watch that a little bit. Even though I was a little bit older when it was on TV, I did like Darkwing Duck. So that's actually really cool. Happy to have that one. All right, so far I got 4 of the 5 characters, so it's working out. And I got 1 repeat Pez. I'm assuming the Pez's are going to be like $5 to $10. So I'll be able to get a little bit of my value back with the repeats. Let's see. All right, what is this? This is the last box. Are you guys ready? These won't be excited because it's working out how it's supposed to work out. So this won't be a chase. But so far I'm pretty happy. I got the one chase I wanted the most. So I wonder how hard it will be to get the rest of the chases and if there'll be any. I don't think any this year will be super high value. The ones from 2 years ago when they had the Metallic Vegeta, that one, the prices just went crazy. Okay, that's what we got. You guys get to see the first few. Okay, let's start out with the plushie. Okay, we got another Tom. 4 Toms, 1 Gerry. That's interesting. Okay, another Goof Troop button. So that's the super repetitive. Something like that I'll probably stick in my store for $1.50 and just see what happens. More stars. Because I do sell a lot of pins and buttons and stuff. Okay, so here's the Pez. Hopefully the Pez is different. I don't want another repeat. Oh, cool. Count Chocula. Yes. Okay, so I got, what did I have? 1, 2, 3, 4 different Pez's. Are there only 4 in the set? That's something I'll research. You guys can let me know in the description. Hopefully I got the whole Pez set, though. That would actually be really cool. Okay, and then we just got the pop. Very last pop. Maybe it was an accidental double chase. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, okay, we got Wildcat from Tailspin. Okay, that's cool. I watched Tailspin a little bit as well. Those Disney cartoons, all of them I kind of liked. I kind of started with DuckTales, and then they expanded from there. And DuckTales, I watched a ton of when it came out. So that's cool. All right, so I ended up getting 1 of each character. So each case, I believe if you get a full case that's unopened, you'll get 1 of each character, and 1 of those will be the chase. So I'm actually super thrilled with that. I got 4 of the Pez's. I don't know if that's the full set or not. I hope it's the full set. But this was a ton of fun. And that was so quick. I should go out hunting I should do the 1-hour hunt videos every once in a while because I had fun going out shopping, and I'm sure you guys would enjoy more hunt videos. All right, so I was sick for a week. So look for a ton more videos coming up real soon because I am backed up with hauls. I probably have like 10, 15 haul videos to film. So I'll be posting those very soon. I want to thank my patrons for supporting my channel. With their help, I'm motivated to do more videos like this more often. If you want to help support my channel as well, I'll put a link to Patreon right there. If this is the first time watching my channel and you want to see me open up more mystery Funko Pop boxes, why don't you click the robot's face to subscribe? Why not? I want to make more videos just like this for you. And I'm going to put a couple other mystery box openings right here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!